Lawn thinning after heavy foot traffic can totally wreck your curb appeal and make your grass look patchy, but with a few simple fixes you can bring your yard back to life fast. First off, if you see those worn-out trails or bald spots, just try to keep people and pets off those areas while they recover. Seriously, your grass needs a break to bounce back. Aerating your soil is a game changer. Use a garden fork or a manual aerator to poke little holes in the compacted dirt, which helps the roots get air and soak up water way better. Water those stressed out spots early in the morning so the grass has all day to dry and grow strong. Don't go overboard though, or you'll just drown the roots. Toss down some grass seed over those thin patches and sprinkle a thin layer of soil or compost on top to help it settle in. If you really want your lawn to recover, keep mowing your grass a little higher, like around 3 inches, so it shades the soil and holds in moisture. Hold off on using any weed killer or fertilizer until the new grass is actually growing strong, or you might just end up burning it. Set up some little barriers or keep off signs if you've got kids or pets who love to run through the same spots all the time. It sounds basic, but it works. And honestly, just keep an eye out for patterns. If you always walk the same path, switch it up so your lawn gets a fair shot everywhere. One of the biggest mistakes with repairing lawn thinning after heavy foot traffic is ignoring soil compaction. Compacted soil chokes your grass roots and makes it nearly impossible for water and nutrients to get through. Fix this by aerating regularly. I think every spring and fall for the best results. Another common problem is overwatering thin patches, which actually makes things worse by causing disease or root rot. Aim for deep watering 2 to 3 times a week instead of daily sprinkles. People also forget about overseeding, which is super important because without new grass seed, bare spots just stay bald. Grab a high-quality seed mix that matches your yard's sun and shade situation and spread it evenly over patchy zones. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local lawn care pros who can handle repairs, aeration, overseeding, and more, all backed by real reviews. For contractors, it helps you get seen by people in your area who need work right now, so you can fill your schedule and grow your reputation without any hassle.